In this video we will demonstrate how to assemble and attach new two-stage aluminum pistol grip to camera housing. Before we attach the pistol grip to the camera housing, we'd like to show you what comes in the package. So we'll start with this baggie that contains several Allen keys as well as the other spare parts. So we got two Allen keys, silicone grease, rectangular O-ring, and the plastic plate, as well as the spare O-ring. The main thing in the package will be the pistol grip itself. This plate is a spare plate because the pistol grip already has the plastic plate which divides the aluminum part of the pistol grip between the stainless steel part of the camera housing, which we'll demonstrate a bit later. And there's another aluminum plate that's connecting the grip to the camera housing itself. Before proceeding to the assembly, I would like to point out some warning stickers that are on the cables of the pistol grip. The sticker which is here is a temporary sticker, and upon receiving the package you would need to remove the sticker by tearing it off. It states that while detaching the pistol grip, please avoid pulling the cable as it might cause irreparable damage to the cable. So when you're detaching the two parts of the cable, don't hold it here and here. There's special places which are thicker on both ends, so you would want to place your fingers here and detach it at those places. Now we're gonna remove the sticker and attach to the camera housing. First, you need to remove the plug of the camera housing. Then the pistol grip comes already in this form, so we need to loosen the bolts. And detach this connecting plate. This plate will connect the grip to the camera housing, and it also has this plastic spacer which separates the aluminum from the stainless steel. There's also an O-ring here to which we'll apply a little bit of silicone grease. Not a lot, just a tiny bit. Okay, then we can place the plate over the pistol grip mount. Attach two of these small hex screws as a guide and tighten them slightly. And we'll proceed to tighten them one by one, a crisscross pattern. Now we will attach the pistol grip to the plate. We will apply a little bit of silicone grease onto the rectangular O-ring gasket and attach it to the plate. The process of tightening is the same, so we do this one, this one, this one, this one. The two-stage trigger you can hear immediately. There's one click, one stage, and the second click for the second stage. we're gonna put the camera inside and test it. So again, we are touching, holding it here and here. This sticker shows to make sure there's no cable pinch. Cable pinch means the cable getting pinched between this O-ring and the back plate of the camera housing. So when you're putting the camera inside, please make sure this does not happen. How to make sure this does not happen? As you put the camera inside, place this part into here, you lock it, and with your finger you're holding the cable, it's gonna go all the way inside. So you see, no cable is sticking out. If the cable is sticking out and there's a cable pinch, it can potentially cause flooding, which can potentially make your camera equipment completely lost. So pay close attention to this one. Now we're going to close the camera housing, test it. So you can see here, first stage, second stage, first stage, second stage. After you've done your session, you come back home and you want to take out your camera. This is how you do it. First, of course, you need to rinse it in fresh water, preferably to leave the camera housing underwater for overnight after you take out the camera. But this is how you take out the camera. This is how you disconnect the cable. Then we take this part out, holding here and here, and disconnect. Easy. Please spend a little bit of time caring for your new pistol grip. After every session, you need to disassemble the pistol grip and wipe it clean to make sure there's no debris in between the parts connecting to the housing and on the O-rings. It will only take around 10 minutes of your time, so it's worth investment for prolonged life of the pistol grip.